Take a ride in the 2022 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.